guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's so early in the morning right now here in the USA, North Carolina. It's 6 a.m. as you can see. Makulimlim pa guys. So maaga kami kasi may appointment for my Invisalign for my teeth is 8 a.m. So it's 1 hour away from our house. So kailangan na naming maaga. So please continue watching. So guys, I'm back and nagmamadali na kami kasi sabi niya malilate na daw kami, but actually 6:30 pa lang guys. Ang ano namin, appointment namin is 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. So grabe yung pagka early ng mga tao diri guys, di kagaya sa tuan pag mayngog alas 8 na sa dili siya na pwede guys. So kung malate ka sa appointment, kung malilate ka sa appointment, wala na kasi may next sila may next client, so kailangan di ka talaga malate. So 5 minutes kailangan nandoon ka na, kasi kung malilate ka talaga wala, i-reschedule ka na nila. So kaya ayaw din yung mangyari yan sa akin kasi many times na nangyari pag ako lang ang pupunta doon, no? So okay, go! So guys, so please continue watching, okay? Thank you so much.
Hi guys, so here now, they need to replace my Invisalign. Are you okay?
I'm done na with the checking of my teeth. So ang gagawin nila is I'll come back here in January for another Invisalign. So para mag-close na talaga siya kasi meron pa talaga siyang hang dito banda at saka dito banda guys. So abangan ang susunod na kabanata. So hindi pala basta-basta siya mag-close, no? Kasi abot siya ng ilang years, but it's okay. The important is ma-close na siya. So I'm happy with the result guys. No, so meron pa siya sa paunti-unti lang. So just be patient and darating din tayo siya. So magiging beautiful smile na tayo pagdating ng panahon. So ito yung ano nila, madami din silang mga empleyado dito. So,
you're welcome. This appointment was this morning, this afternoon. So
guys, pauwi na kami, no? So, sleepy pa ako masyado, so kailangan namin umuwi para makapag-relax naman, no? So, before we will end this vlog, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please click subscribe down below, and thank you so much for supporting my vlog guys, and have a good day. Bye bye, God bless.